Greetings everyone and everybody who is watching this video. Well, today I got something here, and of course I won a bid on eBay. Let's just see what it is. Yes, you heard me correctly. I won a bid is how I got this item. I did not think I was going to win, even though the numbers were in red and they were ticking down and there was less than a minute left. I chose to go in and bid for this item anyway. Let's see what it is. Getting open. Looks like something. What in the world? It's a GoPro camera. It's something alright. Yes, it's a GoPro camera. Now, how I got this, like I said, was I won a bid on eBay. And I ended up with this. How? I felt like testing my luck for the day and wanted to see what happened. So therefore I got this. I won the bid. And of course this is an older model. Well, let's just see what this does. Oh yes, have one of these. The waterproof case. Which the seller fortunately included. Well, let's put this in here. Now, hopefully I could get you some higher quality videos on my YouTube account. And of course what I'm thinking to do with this camera is put it on my trains. And of course, take you for a ride. How? By you watching the video. Or whoever's there, watch the video. And, yes, go for a ride. Well, I remember when the GoPro was popular. It was like in the early 2010s. I've been seeing videos saying recorded with GoPro this, GoPro that. And of course this camera goes just about every place. Anywhere too. Practically. Like I've seen people mount their GoPros on their vehicles. This records what's going on, and not to mention people go swimming with this thing, they go ziplining, skydiving, flying, in aircraft, and not to mention some people with these cameras here, they do all sorts of exploration, like go in caves or wherever. Now, I've seen GoPros mounted to airplanes before on YouTube, especially big cargo airplanes. And of course, I'm quite impressed. Now, here's my personal opinion about GoPros, of what they could be used for. They could be mounted on any vehicle, or whatever, like for when and if the event of a crash takes place. This camera can capture just about anything and everything that has happened. When and if found that it survived in the wreckage. And of course, when and if, let's say, a boat or a ship sinks, this thing can record a comprehensive amount of the events, either broad or completely. Then after some time, when and if, like I said, this is recovered, the investigators can trace what had happened. And let's see what else we have here. Well, other than winning the bid, I'm personally glad to have this. And let's just see what this does. And along with that, let's get some good videos and pictures. Hopefully, I could get some money off my videos. Sorry to tell you, this is all I have for now. Normally an unboxing video would be 10 minutes, but I did not have much to say tonight. Except it's cold in the month of May, as of right now. And in this video, it's the 20th of that month. Otherwise, I'll see you around.